destination. And here is your host, Esther J. Thomas.
My name is Beres Hammond, and you're tuned to Island Rhythms. Keep it locked.
Let me show you how to treat I don't know, but he said I don't know. She whispered, it was so nice, so nice. She's supposed to away. Hey, hey, hey. You will hear the things I say now. I thought you wanted for the water of desire. So moving away. Oh, young people. Though I understand how he feels, but I wish he'd give me a little room just to let him run. I know he's got to say so wrong. Like to me was late as soon as I did me. It was so unkind. I had moving to, but the woman was looking fine. We had to rise away. I'm calling me. Still he was taking my way. And the story goes on. She loves me now. She loves me now.
It's the legendary, the icon, the most humble Mr. Beres Hammond at Best of the Best. And of course, the last time we did an interview was Sit Down. Yes, in Hartford, and of course it was a wonderful interview. And we've been missing you. You've been touring and been doing a lot of things. Of course, we got your new album out.
Thanks.
Tell us how you're feeling. I mean, you're such a humble person.
I am wonderful. I'm feeling extremely good. Extremely good. And then tonight, out on the stage, you could feel the love. Yeah, you could feel the love. And one couldn't ask for more than that. So I'm still humbled by the love, you know.
And you know, the last time we spoke, we talked about a book. And you said that you would be working on it. How is that working out for you?
I haven't started yet.
Well, you need to get started. You need to get started.
Sure.
We have a lot of things going on in the music industry. A lot of the kids are going astray. What would you say to the children that are into the music industry and we want to keep them grounded?
I don't know. It's a question that I hardly love to answer. Because I myself, I might have some faults, but you can't mix them.
Yes, because everybody
Music
does.
is music, and whatever else is whatever else. So you're concentrating on music, do the best you can.
And since I know that I'm not going to see you for a very long time, the last thing that I'm going to ask you to do for me is to look me in the eye and drop something for me. A nice
Wow.
That should not be hard.
See you as a queen and a lady. No ifs, no buts, no maybe. The only thing sweeter than my honeycomb. Oh yeah.
Thank you, ladies.
I know.
Mr. Beres Hammond.
Love you,
Thank
baby.
you.
Chris Martin here. Yeah, man, I know it's all about Chris Martin and dancing to the fullest for Island Rhythms. Keep it locked, don't touch that dial. Chris Martin said that. And listen to me. Oh Lord, I'll never cheat on my station. As far as I can see, Island Rhythms is the only place for me. Chris Martin.
I cherish every moment that you're around. I might not show you because I can't find the words to say. I try to say I love you, but I'm dead sometimes. I stuck to easy words, everywhere. Words are like magic. She will do it. Oh, say, must find a way to keep you on to this love. When I retire from it, I'm so red at night. When we were alone together, we just made up to the person. You picture to forever. Anyway, so get it right. Sing with me. Oh, na 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 na. Oh, na 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 na. Ula 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 ula. It's my turn, yes. Now, girl, but I can live without you. Everything you find is something special about you. Still you were playing in my mind. I used to think you were I said you're most wanted at the top of my line. And you said I saw you down for your life. Like the power of right now, you said I'm feel you, Joe. And now, I'm falling. How can I ever let you know I'm falling? How can I ever I was let you know. When you play your parents on the night, not even like so impressed from the moment I laid eyes on you. You are having fun. And I have a thought. You set me on. I'm so happy. Understand?
Yes, sir.
You want
We're making a test run. First of all, let me big up my New York people in the house. All the people from New York for Flatbush to make some nice. We represent. We're going to do a test run. Test run. Are you ready?
From deep down in my soul, I'm losing all control. And I can't fight this feeling of when you take me. Don't stop, don't stop, don't stop. The way you make me from down in my soul, I'm losing control. Everything
Telefantastic. Of course, you know we are here at Miami, Best of the Best. And of course, with the best, one of the best, Shaggy. What I say?
Thank you. Good vibe, man. Good energy, good crowd. Chairman of the board up on stage, so I work with it, you know.
You know it go already. Tell us what's happening. Have you done any collaborations? We're hearing your name, a little bit of snippets going on. What's coming up for you?
Well, we did the song, the first release from the new album with Shaggy and Sly and Robbie, which features Beres Hammond, and we did that song tonight. Great reception so far from the song. We've been out 3 weeks now, so great energy. We also have, you know, the album slated for September, and we have a few more singles coming out. The album is featured people like myself and Neo, Cocotte and Joe together in a combination. Myself and Chronics, Jimmy Cozy and Conscience together, along with myself. Morgan Heritage and Tess and Chin together.
Yes.
Myself and Tyrus Riley. Awesome. You know what I mean? So, the host of different acts on there, and all produced by Sly and Robbie. So that's our next thing.
That sounds great. Now I'm going to ask you a question off the charts. How are you feeling about the whole Snoop Lion thing?
Oh, Snoop Lion. Well, I think it's good that Snoop Lion come into the whole reggae thing. And I tell you why, because he brings a lot of... He's a global brand, worldwide. And here's a guy that actually brings a lot of press to reggae music, to the fraternity of reggae, which we really well need. You know what I mean? So, you know what I mean, big ups for him for coming and making this effort. You know what I mean? I think it really helps us to get on the international stage.
Now, of course, we're waiting for you in some big film. What's up with the movies and acting and things like that? We're waiting.
You know, so I've gotten so many movie roles, some major ones throughout my career, and it's not my thing.
It's not your thing.
I mean, really, you know, and I've been told that they think I'm good at it, but you have to do things with
But
your
you
heart.
are in all the little, videos.
Yeah, but you do things with your heart, you know. Obviously, I'd rather do behind the camera. But when we did like Church Eden and Bad Man a Cry,
Yes.
I enjoy writing the scripts and casting the people them and sitting with Jay Will and editing it and putting it together. That to me was more fun than really being in front of the camera. Yeah.
Well, it's awesome talking to you. We had a wonderful time. We're expecting much, much more from Shaggy. Stay tuned for more Best of the Best. I'm your girl, Diva EJ. You're watching Island Rhythms. And, of course, with Mr. Bombastic.
Now she's going to the street.
Got
Remember the songs just make you right away. Those were the days when love used to reign. We danced all night to the songs they sang. Then we get down the ends and do it just the same. Oh, now I feel it, we can such a golden time at the party. I will tell you say that someone else did you know that love never to say that you're sorry? How could you hurt the one you love just like you did? Oh, Lord, it's tragedy. Hey, baby, it was just the other day. Oh, we were sorry. It was so long ago. We talked about the same thing. Darling, why? Please tell me why. Your lovers we had in surgery. Oh, did you know that it's never to say that you're sorry? Just like the flag. Oh, Lord, it's so good. Here's what I want you to do now. Watch me one more time. Oh, chills through my ears. So sweet and light. This will be behind. Even for a moment. She can go on this side. It's alright. It's alright. Help me to never to say that I'm sorry.
Thank you for watching Island Rhythms with your host, Esther J. Thomas. Join us next time for your Caribbean cultural destination on Island Rhythms.